Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you me solving the Rubik's Cube. I saw I Am Icelandic doing it, and I thought, oh wow, I want to learn how to do it. But, yeah, so I have a timer here. It's pretty cool. I'm going to time myself to see how long it takes me. And I'm starting right now. Santa's breaking down on a camel's back. No. And all you gotta hear is the message beep. All I gotta hear is the message beep. That was 28 seconds. See that? There we go. 28 seconds. 28 seconds, 33 milliseconds. I'll do it again. Oops. Piece came out. Okay, we're gonna do this again. Okay. Ready, set, go. I can't get that song out of my head. Just watching the dualtage of what's his name? Moody Sweden Zerka. Go check it out. Put an annotation to it in like 1 second. Done. That time I got 30 seconds. But that took a long time to learn to solve it learn how to solve it that fast. If you want, I'll post another video, and if you want to see I Am Icelandic solving it in like 1 minute, click right here. Now, right on my finger. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.